The price of Bitcoin exactly went to my target, as I told you all in my past couple of videos, and from past couple of weeks and months I was telling you that the price of Bitcoin can see a rejection from here if it gets rejected from this important white resistance zone right here. I hope you all already know, from $71,300 to $73,000. Well, it's basic analysis that whenever the price of Bitcoin, you can clearly see it is in a sideways range. Whenever it comes here, it gets rejected and goes again to my support zone. Then it gets a support, goes back up again. Then it comes down, goes back up again, and then it is again towards the downside. It is simple analysis, nothing else. Also, I will advise you guys to please stay away from Twitter and online internet advices that are specifically targeted to Bitcoin, because if you follow Twitter news and some YouTubers or any of these content creators, you will not learn trading by your own self. You will listen to their calls. Someone will say buy Bitcoin right now, this and that, and you will buy, and the price of Bitcoin can dump towards the downside. It's better to trade on your own, learn from your mistakes and improve your trading skill, and trade on your own. Do not look onto the internet, and do not just scrape Twitter or YouTube to find any good conference. For example, I've seen many people who are actually very good traders, but they lack in confidence. They do their perfect analysis as always, however then they go on YouTube or on Twitter, and they tend to find people who are somewhat doing same analysis as them, and so that they can gain confidence. Well, this is a very poor thing. If you are confident in your analysis, then it's better to take a trade. Do not listen to anyone, do not wait for anyone to do same analysis. Just take a trade if you are confident. Okay, do demo trading, do paper trading, practice and practice. And that's what I always do. Earlier I also used to listen to Twitter and YouTube people. I always did my own analysis first. However, I listened to crypto and YouTube people and other people online, and I doubted my own analysis. I always doubted my own analysis, that am I right, am I wrong? And at the end, most of the time my analysis was correct and everyone's was wrong. Okay, you have to develop that confidence in yourself, then only you can achieve in trading. And it's simple. I mean, the price of Bitcoin is dumping. I already know the price of Bitcoin will dump. But if you go now on Twitter or on any other online place, and you see people are literally crying. Every content creator is making a video that Bitcoin is dumping, Bitcoin goes to zero, bear market has started, bull market is over, and huge crash for Bitcoin, like this. However, I want to tell you guys, it is not real. It's just a normal correction. It's just a normal price action forming. You can clearly see price of Bitcoin is still in a sideways range. We have not seen a huge dump towards the downside or a huge pump till now. The price of Bitcoin is literally sideways only, and still people are crying, and still people are making videos just for the sake of views, so that you get in fear, you sell your Bitcoin, and smart people buy from here. If you look at the fear and greed index right now, which I don't follow, okay, which I have stopped following for past couple of months, but still if you follow it, go on Google and search Bitcoin fear and greed index, you will see that currently it's very fear in the market right now. Too much of fear right now in the market, and obviously everyone is selling. But this is the best time to accumulate Bitcoin. No financial advice, always do your own analysis, but according to me it is the best time to accumulate. And according to me, well, this is the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, and I always say on Saturday and Sunday there is not much volume. But however, I think that next week and probably the next of the next week, we can see the price of Bitcoin again pumping towards the upside, following this support right here. This support is from $58,000 to $60,000. So basically, if you notice, whenever the price of Bitcoin dumped towards the downside, it came in this purple support zone and got a reversal towards the upside. Well, I have not entered in any Bitcoin long position till now. Why? Because I want to see some kind of a confirmation. For example, either a candlestick psychology confirmation, like if I see any bullish engulfing candle, or a, I would say, tweezer bottom candle, any doji candle, somewhat similar candles, or even if I see any bullish candle with a very high volume near my support zone right here, if any candle closes with a very high volume and it is some sort of a reversal candle, then I will definitely go long on Bitcoin. I don't care what everyone is saying, I will go long according to my analysis, and I will definitely inform you guys on my Twitter and on my YouTube as well. Don't copy me, do your own analysis as well. I always share my trades, not because to boast, but because so that you can learn what analysis I do behind those trades, when I enter, when I exit, how I exit, what is my strategy, each and everything. So I hope you captured this move right here. Congratulations, and I hope you learned something from it as well. Last quick analysis on Stellar XLM, because there is nothing much on Ethereum and Bitcoin and any other crypto. First of all, I want to make some things clear that if the price of Bitcoin pumps or dumps, same thing will happen with every other altcoin in crypto, most of them. Okay, so even if I make an analysis on XLM, Stellar, for example, I'm bullish on Stellar, but if the price of Bitcoin continues to dump, the price of Stellar will also dump. Okay, so that's the main thing, to track Bitcoin. And if you can track Bitcoin, then you can easily make money in every other altcoin. However, I want to share a quick analysis on XLM Stellar right here. I already made a past video about it. So currently the XLM price is near my important order block zone. I hope you already know what is an order block. It is a SMC, smart money concept. So basically this is a very important supply and demand zone, and it is ranging from 0.0888 to 0.095. Currently you can see the price of XLM is falling incessantly from the past couple of days, weeks and months. You can clearly see it was the high that it made, and from there it is still in a strong downtrend. High, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and a new lower low has been made recently. Also, this means that obviously a new lower high has to be made. And also you can clearly see this doji candle right here, very strong morning star candle right here, and after that it is a very strong bullish candle, not much volume however, but still very solid body candle. So after seeing this, and the price of XLM is sustaining above my order block, so I'm deciding to go long on XLM from here. So basically I'm going long exactly right here, live on my video, and my target is somewhat over till here at this yellow zone right here, from 0.1117 to 0.107, important resistance zone right here and support zone. This is my target right here, and let's see what happens. See, I will give you a target. This is a very important resistance, this one right here. Why? Because first of all, the price of XLM is in a downtrend, high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So there are chances that XLM, the price of Stellar will make a lower high. Yes, it will make a lower high, but it can go till here only, this level. This is a very important level. If the price of Stellar breaks this 0.096 level, then I'm super bullish, and then I'm 100% sure my next target will get met. However, if the price of XLM gets a reversal from here, then it will be a very bad situation, and I will either exit my trade in a break even or some profits only. I've already shared this strategy that whenever a price is in a downtrend like this, and if you try to enter in a lower low position when the price is at lower low, you know that the price will go to make a lower high, which is this is the important level right here. You know that the price will come till here, and the best part is, if the price does a breakout of this, then it will all the way go up, and as you entered at the lower low, you will make extra profits as compared to people who entered over here. So these type of trades are risky, however they reward much bigger as compared to the normal trades. That's why I'm entering in this type of trade right now. It is a risky trade. Either I will exit in a loss, maybe a break even. But if this trade goes against me, and as I shared, then perfectly this trade will go according to my take profit at this yellow zone right here. This is it for today's video. I hope you understand my simple Bitcoin analysis for the next couple of weeks and my stellar analysis. It all depends on Bitcoin. Let's see if Bitcoin is bullish, then absolutely stellar will be bullish. So let's see if Bitcoin is bullish, then of course stellar and every other altcoin will be bullish as well. And yeah, this is my quick analysis on Bitcoin and stellar. Also some important tips on how you can improve your trading. And if you want to trade Bitcoin, stellar, or if you just want to buy Bitcoin or stellar, you can do that on Bybit. I am referring Bybit to you guys because it is a trusted platform. You can find my referral link below. If you want to support me, you can create an account for free using the link below. See you guys next time. Thank you for watching.